No, static, I was -13.
Front's about to be fender-to-lip. We're gonna test fit him on the STI today.
He's nasty car, bro.
What? No. I'm gonna air it out. You like chrome? Ready? Guys, check it out. We have the brand new drop for the 2022 BRZ right here. This is a little sneak peek, guys. This Friday, May 24th, we are dropping, like I said, the BRZ design. We have the same cream t-shirts that we have always been doing, as well as the kind of vintage faded black. And last but not least, we cannot miss the skateboard deck. Guys, check it out. Same type of design we've been doing, like I said in the past, with the FRS design and the STI. But to finish it off, we got the 2022 BRZ. We got all the mods, you know, the street hunter kit, the work wheels, you name it. But yeah, this is such a sick design. I feel like the purple goes so well in like the cream and the black shirt. Just like the other drops, the skateboard decks are very limited. As you can see right here, these are all the skateboard decks. For the BRZ collection, we are dropping 65 skateboard decks. So very, very limited. Last time we dropped the STI skateboards, these sold out in literally less than a couple minutes. So they go very, very fast. I will be making a post on Instagram of the new drop, and I'll put a little reminder button at the bottom. That way you're notified throughout the week, and even like hours before the drop, it'll notify. Instagram will notify you, you know, saying, you know, 30 minutes before the drop, 15 minutes. But yeah, for all you on YouTube, I just want to show you guys real quick what is dropping this Friday, and I'm so freaking excited. Fire? Guys, we got Victor unwrapping his car, bro. No more blue, dude. Crazy. He just pulled up to the shop, and yeah, he's, as you can see, unwrapping the BRZ. Sad day. I actually really love this blue. I love my pastel colors, like the wrap colors. I mean, you guys have seen, like, I've been doing pastel colors on my cars, and I really, really love this blue. Back to OEM. What's the stock color?
Dark gray metallic.
Dark gray metallic?
Like that.
It's pretty fire. Damn, but is it coming off easy or no?
Yeah, it's coming off.
Somewhat. And he just got a new bumper. He got a BRZ bumper. He used to have the 86 bumper before, but back to BRZ.
What's up, bro?
How you doing? Good to see you.
Too.
All right, we got my guy Devin just pulled up to the shop. He just put on these triple chrome TEs, and I'm so freaking jealous. I've had triple chromes on the STI before a long time ago. I don't even remember. It was like, I don't even know, 6 months ago? That's a wild guess, but I've been having this itch, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I've been debating. I don't know if I should do it or not, but I really want to get another set of triple chrome TEs for the car. I don't know. I've just had this like freaking urge to do it recently. They just look so good, bro. I know in the last video I was talking about Meisters and TEs being like super common, but honestly, you just can't go wrong, bro, especially in triple chrome. So yeah, I guess to like fulfill my itch, we're gonna test fit them on the STI today. What specs are these again?
18 by 9.5 plus 12.
Plus 12, so they're a bit aggressive for the STI, but I think just for testing purposes, it'll work like airing out. On the STI, these wheels are 18 by 9.5 plus 22. So it's a 10 mil difference, so it's probably gonna be, honestly, like, probably fender to lip in the rear, but pretty similar to specs as the T7Rs I have on the car right now. But I really want to see what the car looks like with a set of triple chrome TEs. I know we did it before on the STI, but I was on coilovers and it had a big tire on it, so I feel like it didn't look at its best. I just think with triple chrome TEs, you need to have it like stretch tires and like stance out and everything. It looks so good like that. I think that's why I wasn't feeling it when I had the triple chrome TEs on the STIs, because I had the big tire, I had coilovers on at the time, and then after that I literally put bags back on the car. Part of me wishes I didn't sell those wheels, but obviously now I want them back. Damn, hood done already?
Bro, this whole ball right here.
Bro, the color looks so different off of the car. It looks like dark.
It's crazy, right?
It's like a different blue. That's kind of weird. Damn.
This was on the hood, bro.
Alright, so I got everything I need. Got the jacks, impact. Got you guys on the mic once again. I feel like it's a vibe. I love doing like the little like road mic clips. I feel like it adds like a little vibe to the videos. This is why bags are better than coils. No need to use ramps or anything. Just like that, the touch of a button. It's so clutch. Make sure we're on the pinch weld. All right, we're good. Investing in one of these impacts has been literally my most favorite thing. It makes your freaking life so much easier, dude, getting an impact. Ryobi for the win. I know a lot of people hate on it, but hey, it works. Definitely got to change the freaking caliper colors. This was cool back when I had the Meisters. I had the dark gunmetal Meisters, but now that we got white wheels, and maybe if we go back to chrome, the white definitely has to go. These are actually pretty messed up, banged up. But yeah, under we still have the factory yellow. I don't know, I kind of like it. I kind of wish I stayed that kind of highlighter yellow. But yeah, I'm even thinking of doing that yellow or like a nice cherry red to match the wrap.
Yeah, it's super stick, bro.
What do you like better, the blue? The blue or the gray?
This or this?
Yeah, which one? This one or this one? Yeah, you like the
OEM
blue?
No. OEM
You don't like
OEM?
No?
OEM color is nasty car, bro.
What? No.
Hey,
Hey,
it's super tight, bro. Damn. Let me see.
Ooh, fitment's about to be fire, dude. Yeah. Damn, what do you guys think? I feel like T7Rs, they look big, like on these cars, in a way. I don't know why, but they just look like 19s. They still look sick though. I like them. But fitment check, definitely gonna be tucking in the rear with his amount of camber. How much camber are you running, bro? Like
-8 in the rear and -6 in the front.
that's it, -8? I feel like you're running, it looks like more, bro, aired out.
Even when you air out, it's like
10.
when I was static, I was -13.
Damn, front's about to be fender to lip. This fool got a torch.
Hot temperatura.
I got Joanne helping remove the wrap.
Yeah.
That's good, yeah? Oh,
hell
my
yeah,
damn.
bro. It's fast.
I'm gonna air it out first time. Tucking hella in the rear. Oh, you're definitely sinking in the front too. Damn, look at the side though. Damn, they actually look so sick. Yo, this actually looks so fire. Oh my gosh, bro. Honestly, they look way better on this car than on the STI. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. What do you guys think, bro? Like the side shot looks tough, I think.
Damn.
They look hard, huh? White on silver is low-key. That's a move. Damn. I was not expecting it, but honestly, this looks so good. I think T7Rs look really good on like 8.6 chassis. Damn. Yeah, the fronts could definitely use probably like a 5 mil, 10 mil maybe. Damn. Yeah, I'm so excited. It's gonna be a little bit aggressive, but... Ooh. Damn, I think it's gonna probably be like fender to lip. It pokes out quite a bit, but when you air it out, it'll sink in. But, oh my gosh, bro. All right, let's throw on the fronts. All right, first impressions. I can already tell I'm gonna like them way better. I know it looks funny in the air, but we're gonna drop it, take off the jack stands, and then air it out, see what it looks like.
Really, I like more.
You like chrome better?
Yeah, I like more.
Dude, me too.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? The rears can go lower, but I don't want to mess up his wheel because it's gonna hit the fender.
Top of the line. Top of the top of the line.
Nah, you gotta say it's tough, bro.
Tough?
Yeah.
Top of the line?
No. Like it's like, oh, that's tough.
Oh, it's tough.
Yeah. Like, oh, like strong, like tough, like that.
Yeah, tough.
You gotta say that. Like, oh, that's tough.
Yeah. Oh, This is stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's stuff.
Say this is P. Say this is P.
Guys, I think chrome TEs are the freaking move for this car. Like I said, I had chrome TEs before, but I was static and I had a big tire, so it didn't really look as good, to be honest. I think that's the #1 reason why I sold them, but bro, now that the car is back on bags and stretched tires, dude, just seeing these with the triple chrome TEs, it looks so good, bro. Rear fitment is pretty fire. Like I said, I could go lower, but I didn't want to hit his lip because it'll be fender to lip. We're looking like fresh kicks now, bro. With his S15, same wrap color, Vampire Red from Tech, and he has a triple chrome TEs. I know TEs are so freaking oversaturated, and everybody has them. I saw you guys' comments in the last video, but dude, there's a reason why. They look so good. Like I said, my wheels are 9.5 plus 22, and then these, he said, are 18 by 9.5 plus 12. So, honestly, a good spec. Like for bags, I'm not running upper arms, I'm only lower control arms. My fronts aren't slotted or anything. So there's like no camber modifications. Literally just through on the wheels, no spacers whatsoever. And dude, fitment is fire, dude. Throw on bags. Literally like perfect spec. Should I get some triple chrome tees?
Dude.
Or no, honest
STI,
opinion,
bro.
Honest opinion.
It's better than a T7R.
Yeah, 100%, 100%. I think 6 spokes are the move for the
king, bro.
STI, yeah.
I think you should get triple chrome T's.
You think I
again.
should get hop on the wheel?
Got to.
I'm just not gonna give you your wheels back anymore, bro. Gosh, bro. Oh my god. Bro, that's so loud. There's like a little flame coming out too. Oh my gosh, bro, that freaking hurt.
Hey, he's
Yo.
nasty, huh?
There's like a little flame too. You can see like a little
He's that misfire. It's in your car, like
misfire. Oh, yeah,
push that clutch.
yeah,
And
yeah. That's like a 2-step, like what cars have, 2-step.
Yeah, same,
Yeah.
exactly.
The
Look,
bike is so sick.
badass.
You go riding again Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday.
Yeah, we're gonna go riding, take out the bikes again.
And the front same trouble. Racing engine.
Top of the line, bro.
Racing everything.
Yeah. I know last video, I think it was last video, I was talking about I really want to sell the STI and that I just don't, or I don't know if I want to sell it or not, but it's just been up in the air for like a couple months. I've been non-stop thinking about it. I've been kind of like over this car, like I've been not really feeling it, and I'm pretty sure you guys can tell through the videos because I feel like nothing has been going on with this car. I know most of you guys understand that like YouTube is a business, and I was talking about how like things have been kind of like stagnant for like a couple years now. Like I haven't really introduced any like new builds. I've had the same cars for like a couple years now, and it's hard, and it gets to a point where it's like there's not much you can do, you know, like when you've done everything you've done or done everything you wanted to do to your cars, and content just becomes like stale and just kind of like at a plateau. Most of you guys are probably like, you know, like, oh, like don't sell the cars, like why would you sell them, they look so good, this and that. But like you have to think of it like as a business, because YouTube is a business, and if I don't, you know, keep getting new things, or if I don't, you know, introduce new builds to the channel, content is just stagnant, and it's just like viewers start to go down, and I don't know, it's just a whole like snowball effect. Like it's just like a flat line. As like content creators, we're always thinking of like new things to do, like not because we're trying to like be the best or whatever, it's just simply because that's just how YouTube is. You guys see like new things and you guys get more engaged, and it just gives like you guys initiative to like click on the videos, or like new viewers to like click on the videos. I know there's so many amazing subscribers on the channel that I see in the comments, and like you guys are always like, I'll watch anything, you know what I mean? Like no matter what, I'll just watch your videos, and I truly appreciate it so much. Like I'm so thankful for every single one of you guys that watch the videos. You know, as far as like growing, you know, reaching new audiences, you know, getting more people to join us, expanding to like different cars, it'll help, you know, bring people to the channel. So anyways, yeah, back to the STI. I've been non-stop thinking like, should I sell this and get a different car, like a BMW? should I build the STI more? You know, I was talking about like putting like, you know, a big turbo in this car maybe, and I was just like, after sitting on it for a couple days, I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that, because these cars are so fragile. Should build the motor before you throw a big turbo in these STIs. But I've just been like non-stop thinking about it, like literally stressing myself out overthinking this. What do you guys think? Let me know your honest opinions. It actually does help out a lot. I see all the comments. But yeah, that's just like pretty much what has been on my mind recently. We got the turbo install for the BRZ coming very soon, so that's gonna take up, you know, a good amount of time for content. And then we got the birthday cruise coming up, you know, prep for all that. So we got a lot of stuff, exciting stuff coming soon. That'll hold us off for, you know, a good amount of time. Me as a content creator, like I'm always thinking of the next step, the next thing. That's just kind of like embedded in my brain, or in our brains as creators. No matter, I'm gonna be completely real with you guys, no matter how much you can say like, oh, I don't care about views, oh, I don't care about this and that, like numbers, this and that, you do. Like, it's just embedded in your mind being a creator. Like, it's just, it sucks, but also that's just like reality, you know what I mean? That's just what happens when you dive into like content creation, because it's like your career, you know what I mean? Like that just determines like how much money you get, you know, how much money you can invest back into your business. So anyways, yeah, I've just kind of been rambling, but if I get Chrome TEs, I feel like I'm gonna end up keeping it, not gonna lie. But yeah, also I get this comment a lot. A certain group of people comment these things on my videos, and they're like, Chris, you're like rinse and repeating nonstop. You do the same thing over and over again, like wrap, wheels, changing out the wheels so much. I get that, and you know, that's why I've been trying to kind of branch out and try different things this year. So I've been taking your guys' advice, but also at the same time, I just want to tell you guys that I know a lot of like YouTubers out there are all about performance mods. They're all about making their cars like the fastest and rebuilding the motors, this and that, blah, blah, all this engine stuff. And at heart, that is not like me, you know what I mean? Like, I'll dabble into it, you know, for fun, or just like make some videos, you know, just to try new things, like I said. But at heart, bro, I'm like a little stance kid, bro. I love wheels, fitment, you know, just like making your car look super sick. And that's kind of why I just gravitating around that kind of theme on my channel. Now, I'm sorry if it bores you guys, but that's just me, you know what I mean? Like, I love swapping wheels. I've gone through so many phases on all of my cars. Some of you guys are like, you know, I love that, you know what I mean? Because, you know, some people at home do the same thing, you know, they just swap out wheels for fun. Like, they just love changing the phases of their cars. You know, I see your guys' comments, you know, you guys are real ones, but I just want to let you guys know that, you know, like, I apologize if like content is just kind of like sticking around the same theme, but that's just kind of been me, you know. Ever since I've started this channel, what I like has pretty much been the same. I'm all about like stance and wheel fitment and just making my cars like super like, you know, flashy and just nice and low. Obviously, we got the big turbo for the BRZ coming soon, so I definitely wanted to kind of branch out and just touch that audience that loves, like, you know, the performance side of cars. I've been talking a lot for like the past, was it 7-8 minutes now? I just had to, you know, get some stuff off of my chest.